Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the series of reads that I started. This reading is going to be for the sign of Sagittarius. So Sagittarius, let's find out what is going to be the future of your connection. Whatever connection that you have with a specific someone, you really want to know what is going to come for the two of you in the future, then this reading is definitely going to help you find the answer to that. We will be also adding messages from the divine around the current situation that you are dealing with your person, and along with that we will also be tapping into the nature or the feature of your person as well. So stay tuned. And before I dive into the read, let me remind you, it is a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the signs and messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal leads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. So yeah, let's see. Sagittarius, what is going to be the future of this connection? When I say the future of this connection, I don't mean the ultimate future, but yes, for some of you maybe it is going to be telling us about the ultimate future of the two of you together. So yeah, let's dive into the read and let's begin. Sagittarius, whoever it is that you're dealing with, what's going to come for the two of you? Three of Wands. I do see that you and your person have been through a lot in this connection. I feel like maybe right now you are pulled apart. Maybe right now you are not together. Maybe right now you have you have high hopes around this connection, but maybe right now still there is no communication or no contact between the two of you, but you are very hopeful around this connection. It can be the energy of your person as well if you have broken up with them, but I feel like there is a weight going on in this connection, and things that turn bad in this connection are or the energies that basically engulfed this connection and uh, and kind of pulled you two apart. I feel like those things, those energies are going to leave this connection soon. I do see blessings. I do see unexpected changes coming up for the two of you in this connection with your person. You have waited for this beautiful change to come. You might have been praying, affirming, or if not you, then your person would have been doing that. I feel like it seems like the connection that you have with your person. It might have been very slow, but I do see that finally things are turning in the favor of this connection. So I feel like whether you are in communication, whether you are not, I do see positive changes coming ahead, and that too with the heavenly blessings. Let's see more cards here. Five of Cups. Maybe right now, like I said, I feel like right now the current energy seems to be kind of low around this connection. Maybe you are sad, maybe they are sad as well, maybe you miss them, they miss you, but at the same time the love is strong. You know they miss you and they really want to be with you, and I feel like you both are waiting for some sort of a magic to happen so you could come together. Maybe they are waiting for you, you are waiting for them, but yes, the love is strong. For some of you might have been seeing each other in dreams as well, signifying the same message where you both feeling the same way for each other, but yes, um, still not talking or communicating with each other. Let's see more cards here. Seven of Wands, Three of Swords, the Hangman. I feel like there has been some words said and heard that basically didn't go well with you both. Maybe you have said a lot of stuff to your person, they have said a lot to you as well. Maybe there had been an influence of a third person or situation as well in this connection, which basically kind of created a lot of stress in this connection between the two of you. So it seems like you both have a lot to say, share to each other clearly and openly, and I feel like you both are disappointed in each other. I feel like this energy where you are hanging in right now is, like I said, I feel like things are going to start getting better. Like maybe you recently broken up, maybe you have been separated for quite some time already, but yes, now you have started missing and thanking each other mutually. So I feel like you both are getting prepared for a reunion. I believe with the Hangman, it's always like a sudden shift gonna come where you're gonna have a new beginning with your person. The wheel is going to start turning in the favor of the connection once again. So I feel like that change could be coming in. Let's take one more card after the Hangman. Page of Pentacles. The communication will start happening. You are going to start communicating with each other, and that is going to be the change, a game changer, or the changer for this connection, or it's going to be like a much needed shift which is required here right now, because you both want each other but then you are not communicating. So something is going to happen. Maybe for some of you, you're just going to bump into each other, and that's how you start communicating again. Maybe you are going to see them somewhere, and then you would feel like, no, you really want to, you really have to communicate with them now. So something is going to happen which is going to be turning the situation in the favor of the two of you again. Underneath the deck, we do have the Tower. Underneath that, Knight of Wands. Underneath that, the Sun. Underneath that, the Empress. I feel like you're definitely going to be coming together. I feel like, especially for those of you who are in no communication or having hard time together, I do see some stability coming in, some communication coming in, and I feel like it's gonna pave a way for the two of you to fix things up, to communicate the issues out, so you could have a fresh new beginning with each other. Sudden shifts are definitely coming in, and that too with the heavenly blessings. I feel like things might be slow, but they will be like heading in the right direction. Let's see the nature or the feature of your person. Let's see what can we get around that. Talkative, fun, demands time, loving, happy, life of a party, and outgoing. It can be you, it can be them. One more card. Wow. Introvert, fearful, deceptive, needs healing, deep, pick up fights easy. Again, it can be you, it can be them as well. Let's see more cards here. Let's see what else do we have. What's going to be the future of this connection? Let's see the guidance around you or them or the current situation. Wow. You both love each other. I feel like this love that you have for each other is like it has always been there. But yes, the circumstances could have turned against the connection. I feel like it's high time that you are going to return back to the happy, committed relationship that you once had. Maybe I feel like it's more like you might be like soulmates for some of you, where you are already connected or already married in the heavens to each other. But I feel like you are going to choose each other very soon, because that's what you are understanding about the connection right now. Let's see one more card here. The Wheel. Delays are over. Sudden or unexpected good luck. A new car or travel could be coming in as well. So yes, I feel like abundance is definitely coming in back in this connection with the two of you. Let's see one or a few oracle cards here. Let's see what it has to add. The delays, the stagnation in your love life is definitely going to getting over with your person. So I feel like in coming days to weeks time, you are going to see some unexpected good luck in your love life. Arrow, surround yourself with protective energy. Now stop letting the fears or negative energy come to you or your mind. Don't let negative thoughts get the best of you. Whatever the current situation is, just try to stay as much positive as you can. Start expecting miraculous changes coming ahead for you. Protection Guardian, drop your shields. For some of you, your love life could have been affected by other people's negative energy as well. So if that has been something that you could understand and pick, it's very advised, like try to keep your connection protected, especially from other people and their influence or their opinions as well. Try to do that. So yeah, that's pretty much just coming up for you for this read. If it helped you, to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are willing to purchase any of the services that I offer, you can check the description box for that, and which includes like affirmations, and you can check the list of services that I offer. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and we'll see you in the next read that I will do for you guys. Take care and bye bye.